Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful and very lovely pattern of booty. This booty is for 6 month to 1 year baby, and if you want to make something new then you can try this. You can see what a lovely pattern this is. This part of booty is very simple, but the main and attractive part of this booty is just look this beautiful border. What a beautiful and lovely border this is. I have used some beads to give it a attractive look, you can see. And if you want to make this beauty, then stay connected with me, watch the full video. I have made this project with 3 ply wool and 3.0 mm crochet hook. So let's start the video. But before starting the video, I have a request, friend, that if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. So let's start the video. Okay, now start with 13 chain. Make 13 chains. If you want to make bigger size, then make 15 chain or 17 chain. 2, 3, 7, 12, 13. Skip first number chain. Skip this chain and make one single crochet and next one. Again insert the hook in next chain and make one single crochet. Again single crochet in next chain. So make one single crochet in each chains. Insert the hook and make one single crochet in each chain. Okay, now I am in my last chain. Make 3 single crochet in this chain. Okay, 1. Again make one more single crochet at the same place and one more. So total 3 single crochet at the same place. Three single crochet, 1, 2 and 3 at the same place. Now insert the hook in next chain from the opposite side. Insert the hook from the opposite side and make one single crochet in this chain. And again make one single crochet in each chain from the opposite side. And in last chain make 2 single crochet from the same place. 1 and 2. So now you have 3 single crochet at the same place in this side and 3 single crochet at the same place in this side. And now make a slip stitch and add your work. Again make one chain and one single crochet in each single crochet. Okay, insert the hook and make one single crochet. Again make single crochet. So make one single crochet in each. And now here where you have made 3 single crochet from the same place, then make 2 single crochet in each. This is the first one. I will make 2 single crochet at the same place. Now this is the next one, so make 2 single crochet in it, and this is the third one, make 2 single crochet in the last one. Okay, so in this way make 2 single crochet from each single crochet at the tip point. And now again make 1 single crochet from each single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each from the opposite side. And now again at the last make 2 single crochet from the last 2 chains. Okay, 1 and 2, make 2 single crochet and add your work with the first single crochet, add it with the slip stitch. This is the pattern. Now again make 1 chain and 6 single crochet from the next 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make 3 half double crochet, 1 more half double crochet from the next one, and this is the third one. Make 3 half double crochet and now make 3 double crochet from the next 3 single crochet. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. And now again I am at the tip point. Now make 2 double crochet from the last 6 single crochet. One, and make 1 more double crochet from the same place. Again make 2 double crochet in the next chain. Again make 2 double crochet in the next chain, 1 and 2, make from the same place. Again 2 double crochet. This is the 4th time. Now do 5th time, 1 and 2 and 6, and the last 2 double crochet from the 6th one. So this is the toe part of your shoe. Now again make 3 double crochet first, 1, 2 and 3. 3 double crochet in the next 3 chains. Now 3 half double crochet in next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and make 6 single crochet in last 6, 1, 2 and 6, and now make 2 single crochet, 1 and the second one at the same place. Now again make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now again make 1 single crochet at the last and add your work with chain. add it with slip stitch, make one more round with the same pattern, 1 chain, 6 single crochet, 1 2 6 3 half double crochet, 1 2 and 3 half double crochet, make 7 double crochet in next 7 chains, 1 2 3 and 7. And now make 1 2 3 4 and 5, 2 double crochet in next 5 chains, make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, again make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, again 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet 4th time, and now 5th and the last 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, again make 7 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, make 7 double crochet in next 7 chains, 1 2 and 7, now 3 half double crochet, 1 2 and 3, and now 6 single crochet, 1 2 and 6, and make 2 single crochet in next 1 2 3 4 single crochet, 1 and 2, again make 2 single crochet, and at last only make 1 single crochet and add your work with the first chain. Now look, this is the proper shape of your shoe, and this is the last round. Make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in each, make 1 single crochet in each chain without any increase, 1 2, and at the end add your work with the last chain, make a chain and cut the thread. Okay, now this is the back side and this is the front side, and this one is the toe part and this is the heel part of your shoe. Okay. Now select the mid 1 single crochet and add your thread again here. Insert the hook as I am doing. Insert the hook as I am doing and add the thread. Okay, now start with 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, again insert the hook as I am doing, insert in the next single crochet and make 1 double crochet, again insert the hook and make 1 double crochet, again insert the hook in next single crochet. Don't insert the hook in chain, friends, don't insert the hook in your chain, but insert it as I am doing in this way and make 1 double crochet. So in this round you have to make 1 double crochet in each single crochet. Make 1 double crochet in each, but don't insert the hook from the chain. Insert the hook as I am doing. So repeat the same process and complete the round. Make 1 double crochet in each single crochet and complete the round. And at the last, add your work with the third chain. Add it with slip stitch. Again make 3 chain and make 1 more round of double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in each. One double crochet in each chain. Okay, this is the second round. Make 1 double crochet and complete the round. Make 1 double crochet in each and complete the round. And now again at the end, add your work with the third chain. Now let's divide the toe part and the heel part of your shoe. Here I have total 52 double crochet, so I will divide 26 in toe part. I will take 26 double crochet in toe part and 26 double crochet in heel part. And in heel part, if I have 26 double crochet, then I will take 13 double crochet in the right side and 13 double crochet in the left side. So let's count. First of all, count your double crochet and then divide it. Half will be in the toe part and half will be in heel part. Okay, now let's start count from the joining point. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. This is the 13th one double crochet, so I will use a marker to separate it. 13 double crochet. Now again count in the others from the other side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. This is the 13th one, so I will again use a marker to separate it from the other side. So in this way my 26 double crochet of the heel side is separated. So 26 in the heel side and 26 in the toe part. Now let's start. First of all, make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and make 1 double crochet in next. One double crochet, make 1 more double crochet, make 1 double crochet and reach at the marker point. Now 13 double crochet. After 13 double crochet, make 1 double crochet, but don't over the loop. Make 1 more double crochet, and now you have 3 loops in your crochet hook. Over it together, and again make 1 double crochet in next one. This is the toe part of your shoe, so repeat the same process in your whole double crochet of toe part. Again make 1 double crochet, but don't over the loop. 1 more double crochet from the next one, and now over these 3 loops together. Make only 1 double crochet in next one. Again do the same process. 1 double crochet, don't over the loop. Make 1 more double crochet in next one, and now over these 3 loops together. Only make 1 double crochet and again repeat the same process. So repeat the same process till the next marker point. Repeat it in your all 26 double crochet of your toe part. Okay, now I am again at my next marker point. So here I will make again 13 double crochet of the heel part. Make one double crochet in each and make 13 double crochet of the next side. And at the last, insert the hook and add your work. Again make 3 chains and start to make again 13 double crochet. 2, 3, and 13. Okay, now I have completed my 13 double crochet, and again start to make same pattern. Make 1 double crochet but don't over the loop. Again make 1 double crochet, and now over these 3 loops together make 1 double crochet in next one. Again do the same process. In next one make double crochet, don't over the loop, make 1 more double crochet, and now over these 3 loops. In next one only make 1 double crochet and again do the same process. This pattern will be same. Repeat the same process and again reach at the marker point. Okay, now again I am in my heel part, and here I will again make 13 double crochet of the heel part. Now total 13 double crochet I have completed, and here I will add my work with the third chain. Again 3 chain and make 1 more round with the same process. Start to make first 13 double crochet of the heel part, and now I have completed my 13 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Repeat the same process of the toe part. Make 1 double crochet but don't over the loop. Make 1 more double crochet, and now over these 3 loops together make 1 double crochet in next one, and again do the same pattern. 1 double crochet in the next one but don't over the loop. Again make 1 double crochet, don't over the loop, and over these 3 loops together again make 1 double crochet in the next one. Repeat the same process and reach at the end point. Make 13 double crochet again and add your work with the 3 chain. Just look at the beautiful shape of this shoes. What a beautiful shape. And now make 4 rounds of double crochet. You have to make only 4 rounds of double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in each and make 4 rounds. Make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in next one, again in next one. Don't do any other pattern, only make 1 double crochet in each double crochet and make 4 rounds. Make 1 double crochet in each, join the work, again repeat the same round, join the work, again repeat the same round, join the work. Make 4 rounds of double crochet. Now you can see booties are ready, and you can see the proper shape of these booties. And now it's the time to make a beautiful border of this bootie. First of all, thread some beads in your wool. Thread some beads with the help of needle, and now I will make the first round of the border. Count these double crochet. I have 32 double crochet in my last round, but I need 36 double crochet because border will be made in the multiple of 6. So we need double crochet in the multiple of 6. So I will increase 4 double crochet here, add the thread but remember, don't insert the hook in chain, add your thread in double crochet. Okay, now insert the hook as I am doing. Hold your booties like this. This part will be in your side and this part will be in your side. Okay, now insert the hook, make 3 chains, again in next double crochet insert the hook, insert the hook in next double crochet and make 1 double crochet. This is the third one and this is the fourth one, and here I will increase 1 double crochet, so make 1 double crochet and again make 1 more double crochet with the same double crochet. Okay, I will make 1 more double crochet with the same place. In this way I have increased 1 double crochet here. Again make 1 double crochet in next one, 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 1 3 times and again I will increase 1 double crochet. If your double crochet is in the multiple of 6, then please don't increase any double crochet. If you think that there is 2 double crochet, you need 2 double crochet, then increase only 2 double crochet. So in this border we need double crochet with the multiple of 6, so please increase only with the multiple of 6. So repeat the same process and complete this row. Now you can see this is the first round of the border. Repeat this process and complete the round, and at last add your work with the third chain. And now I have total 36 double crochet in this round. First of all, count your double crochet. If your double crochet number is in the multiple of 6, then don't increase any double crochet, but if your double crochet number is not in the multiple of 6, then increase double crochet. Suppose if you have 34 double crochet in this round, then increase 2 double crochet, and if you have 28 double crochet, then also increase 2 double crochet, because 30 is also is the multiple of 6. Okay, now again hold your booties as like I am doing. This part will be in your side, and now first of all make 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. Now take a loop, but don't over it. Again take 1 loop from the next double crochet, again take 1 more loop, 3 4 5 and 6. Now I have taken 6 loops in 6 double crochet. Now over these all loops like this, make a slip stitch, use a bead, and now add it with a slip stitch, hold it in front, and now just make 1. This is the point where you have joined your 6 loops. Then again insert the hook from here and make 1 slip stitch. Again make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and just add these chains at the last double crochet. Make a single crochet. Again 1, 2, 3 chains, and start to make loops from the next 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 over these all loops. Make a slip stitch, use a bead, and now again hold it like this and make a slip stitch, and make 1 more slip stitch from the joining point. Again this is the joining loop. You can see, take a loop from here and make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 chain, and again this is the last double crochet where you have taken the last loop, so make 1 single crochet here. Again 1, 2, 3 and make 6 loops from the next 6 double crochet. 2, 3, 6 over these all loops together. Make a slip stitch, use a bead again, three chain and 1 single crochet at last. This is the last single crochet, so make 1 single crochet here. Just repeat this row and repeat the process and over this round. And now at last make 1, 2, 3 chains and add your work with the starting point. Okay, now start to make chains, single crochet. 1, 2 and 3 single crochet. Again 3 single crochet in the next chain. This is the next chain, so make 3 single crochet here. 1, 2 and 3 single crochet in this chain. 1, 2 and 3 and again 3 single crochet in this chain, so make 3 single crochet in each chain and repeat the round over this round. And now at last add your work with single crochet. We have to make this pattern from this single crochet, so make 3 slip stitch in these 3 single crochet. Okay, 1, 2. You can also make single crochet again in these 3 single crochet, so do as you want. So make 3 chains again, 1, 2, 3 and start to make this same pattern. You have 6 single crochet in this round, so make 1 loop with from the each single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Over these all loops make a slip stitch, use a bead and fix it here. Make a slip stitch and one more slip stitch from the joining point. Again make 1 2 3 chains and just add it with single crochet. Again 3 chains, 1 2 3, and start to make loop 1 loops. Make a step stitch, use a bead and fix it with single crochet, means slip stitch, and again make 1 slip stitch at the joining point. Make 3 chains and add your work. With slip stitch. Again 3 chain and do the same process. So repeat the same process and over this round. And now look what a beautiful booty, isn't it? What a beautiful shape and beautiful border. So friends, I hope you will like this video. If you like it, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment. If you like it, I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.